Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Stanley Msisha, and I'm here with my team to present our solution to SDG 6, which is water and sanitation. Now, let me tell you something. In Malawi, in a community called Shibasura, an NGO donated water system, which after 2 years, it broke. And there was no maintenance. The community members resorted to going back and collecting water from the polluted sources. And that leads to outbreak of waterborne diseases. Now, that is just one example of many communities in the world where maintenance of water system is not sustainable, despite huge efforts and investments by NGOs to actually bring those systems in. That is where we are creating our solution called MAJI. Hey. MAJI literally means water. Hey. Now, this will be an app. In simple terms, maybe to make you familiar, it will be like an Uber app, but for water maintenance in developing countries. How is it going to operate? It will be providing side jobs and professional training to community members to work in fixing water problems. It will also help us collect data that is going to help us map the water systems in the community. That data will also be very valuable to government and NGOs that are providing help to these communities so that they can actually see what is going on, so that they can actually bring improvements in the water systems. Now, how is the business model going to be like? We'll be charging a fee on the maintenance services that we'll be providing to people. However, we charge more on private companies and less on community members, because we use that fee to actually subsidize the fees that we're charging to community members. Now, our key partner here is the government and NGOs. We are going to engage them. You take case that, look, we have been providing help here, but it's not sustainable, your system is get broken, and there's no maintenance, your help is in vain. That's where we're coming in to provide maintenance services, because our team is a team comprising chemical engineers, industrial design, people with knowledge and experience in industrial system design, and also people who are trained in advocacy and policy. It will be very easy to communicate with NGOs and the government, so that actually we can provide the much needed help. Now, what we're going to actually really tell them is that the budgets that you have been providing to these developing countries, you should include a funding, that incorporates training, and maintenance fee. So that funding will be actually used by us, based on our discussion with them, to provide the maintenance. Our funding also comes from other international organizations, and that is going to enable us.